What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Rob back with another video, and I'm here to do a screen protector install for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now, with this particular screen protector, this is not a tempered glass one. This is a liquid skin full coverage screen protector. I have my reasons for using that. I do know a lot of people like to use the more expensive ones that cost quite a bit of money, but me, I'll try tried and true, stick with the liquid skin protector, screen protectors, due to the fact that it does not interfere with the ultrasonic screen protector like some tempered glass do, slowing it down and making it somewhat sluggish. But those are my opinions and my opinions alone on tempered glass. Don't get me wrong, I will use them if I see fit for them to be used. But with this particular screen protector from ESR, it is what they call a self-healing screen protector, ultra thin, and would not mess with the touch sensitivity of the phone. Now, if you do get a scratch mark on there, it does not heal up miraculously in front of your face. It does take a little time for that healing effect to kind of kick in and kind of repair the screen protector. And for the price of $9.99, this is a bargain on any level. You can get an additional $2 off as a coupon that ESR is providing. Just use my link because it does help my channel out. I really do appreciate it. So let's get to the screen protector. You get 3 in the box, and it's somewhat of a simple process. It shouldn't be that hard. Hopefully, with me breaking everything down, it'll make it a little simple for you. Now, what happened is you get a clamp to hold the screen protector in place. Now, it does have a Type-C port opening clamp and one for the micro mini, so it doesn't matter what kind of phone you have, this holder will work. So first thing you want to do, take you get 3 of these kits, take one of them and clean your display. Also, real quick, first up, it does have a mat that prevents your phone from sliding around. So if you happen to be doing this on the table, use this mat and it holds your phone nice and steady. Cool little feature from ESR. Tear it open, get everything out. Get a microfiber cloth, alcohol, and your own personal sticky within each package. We're gonna start off with the alcohol rub first. There's no dirt or anything on the screen. So this is step 1. Once you wipe it down, step 2, microfiber cloth. Step 3, sticker. You want to take this apart because there are holes at the bottom of the screen protector that will match up with this, and you will use this top piece to lock in your screen protector to keep it from moving around. Try not to touch your display. Get one of your screen protectors. They have labels 1, 2, and 3. You want the 3 to face you and the 1 and 2 to face down on the display. You put the holes over the holder, and then you use the top one to lock it in. This holds the screen protector in place. You can make some little minor side to side adjustments, but for the most part, once you get everything set up, it should hold. Get your squeegee out, and we're going to go ahead and lift up the screen protector and remove number 1. Kind of get everything set. Then what you want to do is take the squeegee and go over the part you just removed. And then lay it right back down again. So what happens is you're only dealing with a small portion of the phone. If you don't like how something looks, you can always lift it up and readjust it and go back down with the squeegee, locking everything in place. Again, this is kind of foolproof because you only deal with one portion of the phone. Any bubbles that may appear, like I said, you can relift and get those bubbles out the way. Once you're satisfied with what you've done and you're happy with it, you can go on to the next step, which is to remove the number 2 tab. But I'm going to show you there's a unique way to remove number 2. What you do is you have to lift up till you can hear it kind of come forward, like you see how far back I went, and it peels. Number 2 literally peels on its own, and you kind of go forward in this motion all the way up the full length of the phone until number 2 falls off on its own. Now you start working out the bubbles, corners. Now, one note, the sides are not down quite yet, but you're going to get to that in 1 second. You just want to get the main display nice and flat and to your satisfaction. Now, once you do that, that's when you come back and you kind of work the sides a little bit. It's still not going to feel like it's completely down. Don't worry about that. You're going to still be able to take care of that once you peel number 3 off. Now, what you want to do is, if you want to, you can take this off, but I will leave it on. You can go get number 3 and kind of work it back like this with the squeegee. And once you get to the end, pop that off. And your screen protector is on. You work around the sides, get out any kind of bubbles or anything you may see that's out of order. Work the sides down with your fingertips. Pretty much don't need a mat after this. You can pretty much toss that to the side once you get everything in there. And if there are any bubbles, they're probably on the edge. And according to the company, they should disappear within 24 to 48 hours. Now, this is a case-friendly screen protector, so you shouldn't really have too many problems with it. But I will wait at least maybe 24 hours before I will put a screen protector on there. I mean, a case, I'm sorry, not a screen protector. Before I will put a case on there. And that pretty much does it. Nice install. Self-healing liquid skin full coverage screen protector from ESR. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please leave those down below. Let's check out the fingerprint sensor right quick since I bragged about it. Fingerprint sensor. Boom. All right, that's it, everybody. Thumbs up, subscribe, catch you in the next video. I'm out.